Fitment compatible with 0006 Chevy Suburban 1500-2500 Tahoe. Compatible with 0006 G.M.C Yukon XL 1500-2500. Fits liftgate model rear doors only. Plug-and-play operation direct bolt-on OE fitment or replacement for the stock unit. Uses existing bolt holes for installation. OEM part number 15,170,955 15,170,955. Feature LED light bar styling, brings a different appearance to vehicle that's great for show use. Super bright LED lights compare to the OEM halogen. This item includes 1X automotive third tail brake light bar shown as the picture. Note: professional installation is highly recommended. Installation instruction is not included. Our LED third brake light is a quick and easy way to dress up your pickup truck. When lit, the bright LEDs, light-emitting diodes, are illuminated, and shine up to 10 times brighter than standard light bulbs. The LED third brake light has a durable polycarbonate lens with free-form reflector, and available with either the clear lens or custom smoke lens. Top reviews from the United States. Super bright and easy install. Was super easy to install, looks great and is super bright. Great replacement.